Come here, bud.
Mama. Mama.
Mama ta, tell me what to do. Wee. Oh, mama ta, wee. Hello, Nikki? Nikki, my little angel, my little love, I love you.
Each in 3, 2, 1.
Давай, Ники, нет, себя, нет, я тебя люблю.
Yoo-hoo! Want a treat?
Ella va bien.
Don't stand on his head.
Did you find yourself a good stick? Is that a good stick, honey? Good luck bringing it up here. Oh. You got it.
My human be like, hurry up and go pee. I want to go inside. Bitch, shut the fuck up. I will stand here and sniff every blade of grass and make you freeze to death and still not go.
Nikki, she didn't know how to swim, so this is much of him, yes. Now she can to swim, yay? Ow, she want to bite me. Don't eat my, ow.
Treat? You just had a whole bunch. You can't have any. No treats for you. Whoa.
I can't believe, okay, Nikki do fart, okay, Nikki fart on the car, motherfucker, and the windows are closed. Nikki!
Okay, let's be happier about it, okay? Speak. Speak.
You know his winter coat is coming. Let me do it. No, I want to show. Sorry.
Who let the dogs out? Who let the dogs out? Who let the dogs?
This is my favorite dog challenge. Gasp at your dog and see what they do. Gasp dramatically.
Who is the goofiest? Who sheds the most? Who is the craziest? Who is the most handsome?
Okay, ready?
Oh my God, tell me what to do. Wee, wee, wee. Oh my God, wee, wee.
I've been married a long time ago. Where did you come from? Where did you go? Where did you come from, Cotton Eye Joe?